In this video I'm going to show you how to draw XRD plot using origin. So basically you need XRD data. So most of the time the XRD machine will give you data in text file and they directly convert to Excel file as well. So later I will show you how to convert your text file into Excel file, but so far I have already data in Excel. So just copy data from here and go to origin and just paste it here. So this is my basically sample name. You have to put this in the names, but it's up to you. And the x-axis is 2 data and the y-axis is intensity. Just select it and draw it. So mostly we draw using line graph, and further setting, as I said in earlier videos, it's very simple. So if you want to come to grid line and click opposite to vertical and opposite to horizontal and apply, so it will give us like this, right? And here is this is the sample name. So for instance my sample name is, for instance, this is pure zinc oxide, right? So you just change the name, and this is your intensity here, intensity. You want to bold it. Now you want to write 2 data here. So there are 2 ways to use symbols. For instance, to theta, I know that theta is representing here using Q letter. So just write Q and select it and change the font style from Arial to symbol. You see now it's theta here. But I will tell you one very important thing, that if you don't know the symbols that which letter is using, so just press, for instance, press Ctrl M. Okay, when you press Ctrl M, so it will open a new window. So they include everything. Theta is here, pi, for instance this one. If you want omega, and if you like this theta, just select and insert. You see it will insert there. So this is the simplest way and the shortcuts. You see, when you select any symbol, for instance theta, so is alt plus 0113, and these are also the shortcuts. Okay, so this is the one way to do it. And one thing more, and as I said, that if you wanna put symbol, for instance I know alpha we use usually A. Okay, so select this. So don't change this font style, just come to this bar, and this is, you see, click this one, so it will give you alpha symbol, right? This is how we bring symbols, right? So now let's do this setting a little bit, and you can also do this from here. You want to bold it and you want to increase, and from here, right? Now mostly our 2 theta is from 10 to 80. So let's go click on this and click on scale. So from 10 to 80, right? And apply. You want to keep distance 10, right? 10. If you want to keep distance 5, just click on 5. Okay, but to me 10 is fine. Now the important thing is, for instance, these are the peaks, right? And I have two peaks. For instance, one peak is uh, about 30. So if you want to know these peaks, so you just need to select this symbol from the left vertical column, data reader. When you select it and click on that, so it will tell you that your x-axis is 27.54. You see, we are interested in x-axis in 2 theta, and it gives us that my first peak is on 27.54. Okay, and you know that in the Word file they already give you the peaks. For instance, I will show you later that this peak is, for instance, 110 peak, right? And if you wanna make it a little bit small, right, this is my peak. And sometimes, you know, people do it vertically, so right click, go to property, and this is your rotation, so make it 90. You see, it become vertically, right? Similarly, this is another peak, and if I am interested that I want to know where this peak is from, so just select that tool again and click on this. So it tells me that this next peak is 52.48. Yeah, so if I want to draw here again, for instance, this plane is 211, right? Yeah, this is my another plane. If you want to make it vertically, select it, right click, go to property, and make this rotation angle 90. Yeah, if you want to change the size of this graph, so you can also change from here. And if you want to change the color, so you can change the color. So that's all, and we already plotted our intensity versus 2 theta graph, and this is all about XRD. I hope you learned. And if you are interested that where these peaks are, for instance, this is my Excel file and this is my Word file, because in XRD machine the operator will give you two files. One will be just convert that text file into this is my peak. You see now, this is my data, XRD data and on information. So don't worry, you know where are the peaks. I will show you now in the table that yeah, before we say that our 2 theta is about 27 and that is 110, but I just put, I don't know, I just put 11 or 110. 110, yes, 110.